Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having trouble with your Xiaomi TV and need a fresh start, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xiaomi TV. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, your TV will be as good as new. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Why reset your Xiaomi TV? But before we get into the steps, you might be wondering why you'd need to reset your Xiaomi TV. A reset can help fix performance issues, remove glitches, or simply clear out unwanted settings and apps. Whether your TV is running slow, apps are freezing, or you just want a fresh start, a reset is the perfect solution. Section 2. Back up your data. Before you reset, keep in mind that this process will erase all data, apps, and settings. If there's anything you want to save, like your account logins or app preferences, make sure to back them up or note them down. All right, now that you're ready, let's get started. Section 3. Soft reset, the first step. First up, let's try a soft reset. This is a quick way to fix minor issues without erasing everything. Press the settings button on your remote, then scroll down to device preferences. From there, select about and finally restart. This will reboot your TV and might fix minor glitches without losing any data. Section 4. Factory reset, full reset. If the soft reset didn't work, or you want a complete refresh, it's time for a factory reset. This will return your Xiaomi TV to its original settings, erasing all apps and data. Here's how you do it. Press the settings button on your remote, scroll down to device preferences, and select reset. You'll see two options, reset and factory data reset. Choose factory data reset. Your TV will ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will start wiping all the data and reset to its factory settings. Section 5. Let the TV reset. After confirming, your TV will begin the reset process. This might take a few minutes, so sit tight. Once the reset is complete, your Xiaomi TV will restart and be like brand new. Section 6. Set up your TV again. After the reset, your Xiaomi TV will boot up as if it's straight out of the box. You'll need to set it up again. Just follow the on-screen instructions to log into your accounts, reinstall apps, and adjust your settings. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Xiaomi TV. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.